Imagine a motorcycle that instantly grabs your attention the moment it enters the room. Long, low, aggressive, and finished in a stunning matte military green paint that gives it a bold custom appearance unlike anything else on the road. Today we're taking a detailed look at the incredible 2027 Honda Fury chopper concept, a machine that blends classic American-inspired chopper styling with Honda's legendary engineering philosophy. This is a concept created to imagine what the next evolution of the Fury could look like, combining premium craftsmanship, modern technology, and timeless cruiser attitude into one unforgettable package. From the very first glance, the stretched silhouette tells you this motorcycle was designed to stand out. The extra-long front forks create that unmistakable chopper stance, while the low-slung profile makes the bike appear fast even when it's completely still. Every line flows smoothly from the headlight to the rear fender, giving the motorcycle a clean and elegant design that feels both modern and classic at the same time. The matte military green finish transforms the entire personality of the motorcycle. Instead of bright chrome dominating every surface, the muted green bodywork creates a premium custom-built appearance. Under the showroom lights, the paint reveals subtle reflections without becoming overly glossy, making every curve of the fuel tank and fenders look sculpted and refined. Combined with the satin black frame and blacked-out components, the color scheme delivers an aggressive yet sophisticated character. At the front, the large round LED headlight keeps the iconic Fury identity alive while adding a modern lighting signature. Long polished forks stretch dramatically toward the front wheel, creating one of the most recognizable profiles in the cruiser world. Wide handlebars provide a relaxed riding position while maintaining complete control, making long highway rides feel effortless. Moving toward the center of the motorcycle, the teardrop-shaped fuel tank becomes the visual centerpiece. Its smooth contours perfectly complement the stretched frame, while the matte finish gives it an exclusive handcrafted feel. Every angle highlights the careful attention to detail, proving that simplicity can often create the strongest visual impact. Beneath the tank sits the heart of the concept, a powerful black V-twin engine with premium metallic accents. Every cooling fin, every engine cover, and every exposed bolt contributes to an authentic mechanical presence that motorcycle enthusiasts truly appreciate. The engine isn't hidden behind unnecessary body panels. Instead, it proudly becomes part of the overall design, reminding everyone that this machine was built to deliver both style and performance. The low solo seat is designed for comfortable cruising while preserving the classic chopper silhouette. Premium leather with detailed stitching adds luxury without distracting from the minimalist styling. The riding position allows the rider to stretch out naturally, creating the relaxed feeling that cruiser fans love during long-distance journeys. Looking toward the rear, the extra-wide tire immediately commands attention. Its muscular stance provides a powerful visual foundation while improving road presence from every angle. The slim rear fender hugs the tire perfectly, creating a clean, custom appearance that flows naturally into the compact LED taillight. Black dual exhaust pipes complete the rear section, adding balance while emphasizing the motorcycle's performance-inspired personality point. One of the most impressive aspects of this concept is its attention to proportion. Nothing feels oversized or unnecessary. Every component appears carefully positioned to maintain visual harmony. From the extended wheelbase to the low seat height and stretched fuel tank, everything works together to create an elegant yet intimidating cruiser. Imagine walking into the bright white showroom of Revive and Ride Garage. The glossy floor reflects every detail of the matte green Honda Fury concept, while soft studio lighting highlights the premium finish from every angle. As you slowly walk around the motorcycle, new details continue to appear. Chrome accents sparkle subtly, black mechanical components add contrast, and the entire machine feels like a rolling piece of industrial art. From the front, the motorcycle projects confidence. From the side, it displays timeless chopper elegance. From the rear, the massive tire and dual exhaust create an unforgettable final impression. Every viewing angle offers something different, proving that great motorcycle design is about more than specifications. It's about emotion. Although this is a concept, it represents what many cruiser enthusiasts hope to see in the future. A motorcycle that respects its heritage while embracing modern technology. Features such as full LED lighting, a compact digital instrument display, premium braking components, high-quality suspension, and carefully engineered ergonomics could make a future Fury even more enjoyable to own and ride. Out on a California boulevard, this matte military green chopper would attract attention without demanding it. Its distinctive silhouette, deep custom-inspired finish, and relaxed riding position create a presence that photographs simply cannot fully capture. Whether parked outside a modern home, displayed in a luxury showroom, or cruising beneath rows of palm trees, it carries a unique personality that separates it from ordinary motorcycles. The beauty of this concept lies in its balance. It never tries too hard. Instead, it lets clean design, quality materials, and timeless proportions speak for themselves. That's what makes the Honda Fury name so memorable. And this imagined 2027 concept builds upon that legacy with confidence. If Honda ever decides to introduce a future Fury inspired by ideas like these, it could become one of the most desirable factory-built custom cruisers available. Until then, this concept gives us an exciting glimpse into what tomorrow's chopper could become. A motorcycle that honors tradition while embracing modern craftsmanship, premium finishes, and unmistakable road presence. If you enjoyed this concept showcase, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Revive and Ride Garage, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest motorcycle concepts, reviews, and cinematic showcases. Let us know in the comments what color you would choose for your dream Honda Fury, and whether you would keep this stunning matte military green finish or create your own custom masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.